Alright guys, this is a review on a cen-tech 3-in-1 portable jump pack. I'm actually going to use the battery that's inside of this for a generator. It's got the narrower batteries, and you get this at Harbor Freight. You just tear it apart and you got the battery you need for your generator. Some generators you can get the square lawnmower batteries, but the narrower batteries you got to order online, and this thing's cheap, Harbor Freight, and I got it right there that day. But we'll go ahead and do a review on this anyways. It's 900 peak amps, 330 cranking amps, more than sufficient. It's the batteries I put in most of the big generators are only 150 cranking amps. It's got a couple of USB charging ports. We got one for your phone, work light, this one does not have the tire pump. I got the cheapest one because I literally only need the battery. Let's open it, battery out of it. Open it up, pop it out. Got the extension cord, portable jump pack, instruction manual. Let me pop this bag open. Let's see if this thing has a charge on it. Is there a button you push? Battery test. Yeah, it's fully charged. Arc light. Yeah. Let's see how this thing works. This is a generator. I'm going to put the battery in. 13,000 watt generator. It's a big boy, twin cylinder. It's a big boy. Most of the time, batteries are these big fat lawn tractor batteries that go in them. But this one's got that narrow guy in it, which is the same thing that's in this. So it's just a little trick that I've learned. Makes it. I mean, you can get the batteries on Amazon pretty cheap. About the same price shipped, but if you got a local Harbor Freight next door, it's always nicer just to get that, put the positive on. Let's see how we do. Negative on. Come on. Tie that one in a knot somehow. Negative on. Turn this on. Freaking easy peasy. I don't think he's got any gas in this yet. He just did it, but just so you can see, nothing with that off. Perfect with that on. So it's got good jump capacity and everything. I actually use these all the time. I buy them and then I use them, and if I need the battery, I rob the battery and I get a new one. And I don't really keep them for more than a couple weeks at a time because I'm always changing batteries in these generators. But I used the last one, never bought a new one. So I got this new one. Now I'm going to rip it apart. Make sure you always read instructions. Alright, we're going to go ahead and tear this thing apart and put it in the generator. I'm not going to do that on this video, but I give this thing a thumbs up. It's a good freaking battery charger. They got one on Amazon. It's just like this. I'll look it up and put it if you're looking for a jump pack. They got a good one on Amazon. I've bought them on Amazon too. It's basically the same thing with the different stickers on it. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. Be more than happy to have you. Peace.